Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So today it was another wonderful day that we have got a very good profit today also. See the market, this day we got one wonderful buy entry, all the targets hit. Again buy entry, all the targets hit. Again yesterday buy entry, all the targets hit. And today what happened? So what you have to do? So this is our premium account. See here, this is our premium account because in comments most of the people will say, see all the YouTubers, so-called trading YouTubers, they are not even able to pay the premium membership to the Trading View. They all are using only free account. So we are having free account as well as the paid account. So this is our paid premium account. Here you can see premium account. Why we are not showing this account to you? Because here we have our coding. So by mistake, if I have clicked on the coding part, so all the coding will be visible to everyone. So that is why we are preferring to use our free tool. So see the free tool now. So this free tool, I will add Bank Nifty and show you. Where is the Bank Nifty? This is the Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the Bank Nifty. Now what we are supposed to do, once the market has opened, come to the settings part and do reset settings. After that, if you are trading Bank Nifty, you are supposed to keep tiny 2 stop loss and tiny 2 target. Clear? If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy until a sell hit. See here, here market has opened, it has come to our zone, immediately buy activated, but target has not given. So let us see, once buy activated, what we are supposed to do? Come down, buy activated, so remove the sell, enable the first buy targets, enable the second sell targets, and scroll down. Here you can see MGR by default, so you can add DBP. DBP means default bottom midpoint. Okay, so now buy activated, but target, this is the target, 44,433 is our target, but not given, but SL hit. Once SL hit, automatically our second cell gets activated. So once second cell activated and first target also hit, which means what? Suppose here if you are taking 1 lot, here you can take 2 lot. Okay, double the quantity and book the profit at the first target itself. 1 lot is for recovering the loss of the day and second lot is for booking the profit for the day. At least if you are taking only 1 lot, you can recover the loss. So this is the first trading over. After that, when the market is reversing back to our buy zone, wait for one candle to close above the zone. While it is giving retracement, you take the entry again here. Stop loss is same. See how many targets we have got. So here if you want, you can extend the targets to buy target 4. Where to enter? See, come here, buy target 4. And here you can enable the bottom pivot point. So immediately after SL hit, we got the profit. After the second entry, we have got the 4 targets hit. 4 targets hit and our SL was safe. So this is the beauty of our indicator. This is the beauty of our indicator. So you don't have to worry what we are supposed to do once we get the loss. You don't have to worry where the market will go next level. So everything is pre-planned. Everything is systematic. And here we have given sell entry in the Telegram group. See here, perfect R3C pattern we have got, bearish R3C pattern, bearish R3C pattern. And from here to here we can book the profit. And after that, here we have to exit because our buy zone is there. And this candle is showing you Bahubali candle. We are not supposed to take the entry immediately. So we have to extend the entry level to the next level. What is the next level? Come here to the time frame and give weekly W time frame. And if you want, you can keep this Heikin Asia also. See the perfect entry. So the first entry was the default entry, there is no changes. If SL hit, we are going for the reversal entry, and after that we have to find from where the market will reverse. So that is why I have given the kabaddi game. So I have explained in many videos about the kabaddi game. We are letting the people to come to our zone level, like Vadivel says one movie, come to my area, come to my street, come to my house. Like that we are letting the people to come to our zone. So now we are extending the zone to next level, and we are going for the reversal entry only after confirmation. Don't forget, we are not going to trade blindly. We are waiting for one bullish R3C pattern. If you cannot follow all these things, don't worry, simply keep it in default mode. Blindly, whenever it is coming to our buy zone, take the entry. If you SL hit, go for the reversal entry. That's all. Second time when it is coming here, wait for one R3C confirmation and go for one more entry. Okay, one more entry, you have got the profit. So this is what happening in all the script. So I cannot show you every script in a single video, it will take more time. So I will close the video right now, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us. We will be happy to help you. And one more thing, please remember, please don't call us again and again. Please text all your queries to the WhatsApp number. We will be addressing all your queries. If you are calling and talking to for hours together, asking small, very basic level questions like how to add symbols to watch list, where is the profile name, where is the user name, all those things you can learn yourself from the YouTube videos. So hope you will understand. We are telling you lifetime support will be given. You will be added to the premium group. Everything we will do for the education purpose. But thing is, you have to put some effort also. So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be very happy to help you. Bye bye. All the best.